From transportation expansion to a new addition to Montego Bay's landscape, here is what's new in Montego Bay this week. For years, Montego Bay's transportation sector has been characterized by rogue taxi drivers sprinkled across the city. While it may prove somewhat convenient for residents, this practice has been blamed for contributing to the issue of traffic congestion in the city proper. Do you think this contributes significantly to the problem? Montego Bay's transportation center, located behind Court's furniture store, may be going through some changes. The St. James Municipal Corporation is currently seeking land to expand the park. The park is bordered by Courts and Barnett Street on one side. This is where the main entrance is located. Looks full behind the Runway gas station on Howard Cook Boulevard. And this, as you can see, is the park. Look full. Howard Cook Boulevard on one side where there's an exit. So this is the Howard Cook Boulevard exit to the park. And as you can see, that's the People's Arcade over there. So that's it. And that is Howard Cook Boulevard. And the People's Arcade stretches along the back of the park. So there it is, it runs along the park. And then there is another exit here / entrance. The final side has two entrances facing Railway Lane and Fish Lane. I'm assuming this is the section that will be extended. Have this exit here, or entrance.
Can I come inside the picture?
You want to?
Yes, darling.
Say hi. Hi. They are currently looking into acquiring land, most of which is owned by the Railway Corporation of Jamaica. Now, why are they seeking to expand the park? In the early hours of August 15, 2022, an operation called Restoring Paradise, a public order reset, was started. It is led by the JCF, JDF, and the St. James Municipal Corporation in collaboration with many other agencies. The focus of the project included the removal of rogue taxi operators and illegal street vendors from the streets of Montego Bay. The taxi drivers were told to go into the park, but according to them, there is not enough space to accommodate everyone. Hence the need for expansion and improvement of the facility. This is the largest park in the city. Another park is located on St. Clavers Avenue. And a smaller temporary park is located between North Gully and KFC. How they've done some landscaping here as well.